So many persons unmute, ma'am.
All right. So SEO, today's topic is search engine optimization. Search engine optimization. Okay. First, I'll tell you the basics and then we'll turn to the practical part. Search engine and optimization. So what do we mean by this? Search means whenever you search something on Google, okay? Whenever you search something on Google, like blue colored t-shirt or blue color denims or white color shirt for men, okay, or maybe yellow color t-shirt for girls. So like that, whenever you search something on Google or any other search engine platform, that is called as search. Okay, the query that you type, query, okay, query you type on Google, okay, the query that you type on Google is called as search. Engine means the platform. It may be Google or it may be Bing, Google, or it may be Bing, or it may be Yahoo, okay, or maybe any other platform, or maybe Microsoft or any other. Okay, so all these are search engines. Engines means where you search something, where you can type something and you want some result. Okay, and optimization means when you optimize something, you want the best results. Okay, you want exactly the result should appear, only those results should appear which are relevant. Okay, relevant results, relevant results. So this is called as search engine optimization. So now, why do we need it? Why do we need it? We means the business. We means business, our business. Why does our business needs a search engine optimization? So basically, search engine optimization is required because whenever you type something on Google and the results appears in front of you, you select from those results only. Okay, for example, let me take back you to the screen. Okay, let me take you back to the main screen, and suppose here I want to type like uh, blue color denims for women, or say men, like this. Okay, so there are certain results which have come up. I have typed in whatever I am typing in the Google search box. It's called as search query. Okay, this is called as search query. Like this, I have searched blue colored jeans for men or blue colored denims for men. So these are the results that have come up. Now what will you do if you are a person and you are looking for some blue color denims or blue colored jeans? Then these are some of the results that come up. So what will you do? What will be your next step? Your next step will be to look at the pricing and the brands who are delivering this denims. Okay, and the style of the jeans that you want. Okay, which one do you like the most, and who is selling that that style in the minimum price. Okay, now you will look at it. Obviously, I think, for example, I like this color and this style of jeans. Okay, so I will simply click on it and I'll buy the product. Okay, this is what you do also. Am I right? I hope I am correct. This is how you search your query. This is how you search for a product, right? Similarly, let's go and search for some other product like iPods. Okay, iPods. Oh, sorry, not iPods, earpods. I'm so sorry. Earpods, earpods, earpods or ear dots, anything. So these are the options which have come to you. Okay, like this: noise buds, okay, 999, a boat 899, boat AirPods 699, noise 999, another boat air dots 899, and so on. These are some of the results, and we can buy the product as per our budget. Okay, suppose my budget is not even 999 or 699. I want something lower than this price. Then I'll move further and see if anybody is selling at a lower price than 699. So here we can see low price, but it is 1399. And here AirPods, these are selling for 599. Again, we also have some more products, 949, and so on, like this. So I mean to say that whenever you search for something, that is called as search query. Okay, and this Google, where you are searching these products, are called as engines. These are search engines where you are searching your query. This is called as search engines. And optimization means that when you optimize your query, that means you want white color earpods, or these are basically the best results which are shown to you. Now I want to ask you to select a product, to select an iPod. So you have looked into these iPods from top to bottom, like this, and so on. Now my question to you is that there are once, just a minute. Yes. Now there are several pages which also have the same results of iPod. Will you go on to page number 2 to look what you have? Will you ever go to page number 2? This is page number 2. Okay. This is page number 2. Will you ever go to page number 2, or have you ever visited page number 2 of anything that you are searching for, or maybe 3, page number 3, or maybe page number 4, or maybe 5, 6, anything? What is your answer? Have you ever visited any other page other than page number 1? Yes or no? You can you can give your answer. Yes or no? Have you ever visited any other page when you are searching for something? Like here, I am searching for iPods. So, will I go on page number 2? Do you ever go on page number 2 to look for more options? Or do you find your answer on page number 1 only? What do you do? Can anyone tell me? You can type in your chat box. What do you do? If you If you get your answer, usually you get your answer on page number 1, you can type 1. If you have visited, no, right, yes. Most of the, in most of the cases, yes, correct, correct. So in most of the cases, we never turn to page number 2, 3, 4, or any other page of the Google, because we find our answers right on page number 1. Whatever page appears in front of us, we find our answer right over there. Okay. For example, another, let's see, let's search for something else, like we are searching for, say, green tea. Okay, green tea, let's see. So here we are, we have got so many options, or so many sellers selling green tea. Okay, these are the options. So chances are that you will find your answer, or you will find green tea to buy from this only. Okay, these are the options, and here only you will be, possibility is that you will find a good product, whatever product you want to buy, at your, in your budget, from here itself. Okay, now, will you ever go, or have you ever gone to page number 2 for finding out green tea? So if you want to read out about green tea, so I have only typed green tea. I have not typed that I want either I want green tea, or I want to look into the benefits of green tea, or any side effects of green tea, or something like that. So this page is showing me, first of all, uh, this Google has understood that I want to buy green tea. In most of the cases, we want to buy green tea. Okay, so that is why it has shown me the results of buying green tea first. Later on, it is also showing me the results for the benefits of green tea, usefulness and safety, right? Benefits of green tea, like this: buy green tea bags. Okay, and what are the side effects of green tea? Okay, things like that. See, benefits, side effects, and research. So that means I have found my answer on right on page number 1, and I will never go on to page number 2. And I hope you also have never visited to page number 2 of Google. Okay, so this means this is the importance of page number 1. This is why we have to be present on page number 1. This is why we want to showcase our products or our services on page number 1. We have to be present, or we have to stand on page number 1. Any result on page number 1, from top to bottom, anywhere, because the user, in most of the cases, user will find their result right on this page. He scrolls. You must also have gone to page number 1, and you must have also scrolled from top to bottom, but never on the second page, right? So this is the reason why we have to be on page number 1. And how can we go, how can we stand, or how can we bring our business to page number 1? This can be done through search engine optimization, right? So this can be done through search engine optimization. This is the beauty of search engine optimization, that it helps you bring your business page on the top of the Google page, or on the first page of the Google. Okay, first page of the Google, right? So because we know that people never visit second page, so the only way where we can showcase our products or our services is only page number 1, first page of the Google. Okay, And this is the reason why we have to be on page number 1. Got it? Now, how can we do? How can we be on page number 1? Because there are other competitors also. They are also trying to be on page number 1. Then how can we compete with them? Or how can we uh, uh, how can we be on page number 1? Let me tell you. Okay. So let's see how can we be on page number 1. So, which means search engine optimization can be done in two ways. Okay, there are two parts of search engine optimization. First is called as on page SEO, on page SEO. Okay, and the other one is called as off page SEO, off page SEO. Got it? So now what is on-page SEO and what is off-page SEO? On-page SEO means that whatever changes you are making in your website or within your website in order to make it uh, appear on the to make it user friendly and also to make it search engine friendly, so that your website starts appearing on the top page, is called as on page SEO. Again, I'm saying that what is on page SEO? On page SEO means that whatever changes you do within your website in order to make it optimized, in order to make it appear on the top page of the Google, such changes, making of such changes within your website is called as on page SEO, right? And whatever you do for your website but outside the website, that is called as off page SEO, meaning that although you are doing something for your website but not within the website, you are not making any changes inside your website from your backend, but you are doing something, you are going somewhere else and making some changes, right? So let me tell you how do we do that. So let's turn back to our website. Let's change it and this is our website that we have already created, right? So now let's go back to its backend. So BBIC, Infinity Free, and then WP admin. So we'll get into the backend. So this is the window for filling in your username and password. We have already filled in, and so log in. Okay, so we are on the backend. Now we have to, what do we have to optimize? Basically, first of all, I'll tell you what are we going to optimize. So first of all, we are going to learn about the on page SEO, right? How do we do on page SEO? First of all, this is the first part and this will be the second part. Okay, in the first phase or in the first part, we are going to learn how to do on page SEO, or what is involved in on page SEO, so that our website starts appearing on the first page of the Google, right? Having said that, you should also notice, which I have already told you, that this website is not going to appear on the first page anyhow. The reason is that we are creating a free website. Okay, we have not purchased any domain name or any hosting. Once we purchase it, once we make the website formally, then website will appear on the first page. So here we are. So first of all, for optimizing, for search engine optimization, what do we have to do? First of all, we have to uh, download or install a plugin. Okay, so from the Sorry, let me share the screen back again. I think you are not able to see the screen. Just a minute. Just a minute. There is something wrong. Just a minute. All right. All right. So this is your backend, as you can see. And as I told you that first of all, we are going to do on-page SEO. So for on-page SEO, we are first going to install a plugin. Okay. For installing a plugin, as you can see, we have to go to the plugin section. Just below the appearance, there is a plugin section. From plugin, just click on plugin and you will get into add new plugin. Okay, so you can click here, add plugin. Now here we are, and we have to install a new plugin. Type in Yoast SEO. Yoast SEO. Okay, there are two good uh, SEO plugins. The most trending and the most frequently used is Yoast SEO, and the second most frequently used SEO tool is Rank Math. Okay, Rank Math. It must be somewhere here only. Uh, yeah, here. Rank Math. All right. So uh, you can see the number of downloads and you can decide which one do you want. So here Yoast SEO has 10 million active installations and it has a ratings of 5 given by 27,784 people, right? And Rank Math, this is also a good SEO tool and it has 3 million active installations, right? So and it also has 5 stars rating. So it totally depends on you which one you choose. I am choosing Yoast SEO. Got it? So let's install it now and then we'll activate it. Installed, and now we'll activate it. Click on activate. Okay. So it says you have successfully installed Yoast SEO, right? So we are into SEO. That means we have installed our SEO. Got it? Okay. Now, having done this, we have installed plugin, and you can also see here Yoast SEO will appear over here also. Got it? Now, how do we do the optimization? Optimization means making changes in your pages in such a way that it starts appearing on the top page of the Google, right? So let's take some page from go to pages from, or you can take a post also. So uh, let's first take the pages. So pages, go to all pages, and from all pages you can select any page first of all. uh, let's select about us page. Okay, click on edit with Elementor. let it upload. Okay, here we are. Let me see. Okay, don't have it. Let's get back one more time. Okay, about us. Let me click over here on about us. Now notice that all the things are in the red. Okay. Now you see this is your post. This is your about us page. Okay, and here we have at the bottom we have SEO. This is the Yoast SEO plugin, okay, that we downloaded. See here, if you can see, it is indicating Yoast SEO. That means the plugin that we downloaded just now is how it will work. It will work like this over here. Okay, how? I'll tell you. First of all, you can see here this red emoji and this readability in orange emoji, right? So first of all, we'll go to the red emoji. Got it? So here, what will you do? First of all, you will type a keyword. Keyword means the important word, how people search. Okay, for example, this is an about us page, so usually people search for about us. Okay, like I'm writing like uh, BBIC, about us, right? Because we are using the free version, uh, therefore we can use only one keyword. If you are using the premium version of Yoast SEO plugin, then you will be able to get some more, you can insert some more uh, keywords. Okay, keywords means the important words, uh, uh, and important words comes from the users. That means how user type in Google to get this thing. Okay, for example, how people search for BBIC, about us. That means if they want to know more about our company, then how will they search? They will search about like this, BBIC about us. Okay, and one more thing, let me tell you right now that as you go on making the changes, this red emoji will turn into orange, and orange emoji will finally convert into green when all the changes are done as per the search engine, as per the search engine. Okay, or as per the search engine requirements. So once you have made all the changes, you have optimized your page, then it will convert into green. Okay, similarly here also it is, because see, earlier it was in red. We have made one change and it has turned to orange. Now we'll make some more changes and it will turn to green. Okay, now let's come down. Here you can see preview. Preview means if anybody opens our about us page, how they will see our about us page on the mobile version. Okay, and how it will appear on the desktop version. So if you are opening our website on desktop, you will look, you will it this page, about us page, will appear like this. For example, this one, this is our about us page. This is our about us page. Okay, so how what will be the snapshot? Snapshot means the meta description. This is basically called as meta description. So how it will appear? It will appear like about us BBIC. Okay, and it was written on December 12, 2025, right? And please provide meta description. So I'll provide it. Just a minute. Now, what will appear over here? Okay, I'll tell you. So see, just go to one step down. SEO title. So title, I'll insert the title. So I'll remove everything first of all, and then I'll write the title. BBIC, okay, about us. Or you can revert it, about us, about us, and hyphen BBIC. Okay. Similarly, I'll make the changes in the search also. About us, and then hyphen BBIC, like this. Okay. This is our keyword. And here also, SEO title. SEO title means you have to make the title in such a way so that it appears, or it starts appearing on Google first page. Okay. Now slug, you don't need to make any changes in the slug. It will automatically pick from the SEO title. Okay. Just like this. Okay. So you don't need to do anything. Next, come down to meta description. So now what is meta description? Let me take you to the Google first. Uh, so in Google, let's type uh, blogs on, or let's say about Reliance, or about TCS. Okay. So see, now here, this is about TCS. Okay. So the content that is appearing just below the title,
Well, Marjano.
this is your SEO title. Okay, this is your SEO title, and below this is your meta description. This is called as meta description. Okay, let me take you down. Here, TCS, this is your meta title, or SEO title, you can say, and here is your meta description. Okay. Got it? Similarly, you can see here, Tata Consultancy Services. This is your SEO title, and this is your meta description. You can see here, this is a keyword, Tata Consultancy Services, TCS. So this is the keyword basically. Okay. So they have used this keyword in their title also, and their meta description also. Okay. So let me go back. So here we are. So SEO title, now you know what is SEO title, and meta description means small brief about your company. Okay. So let me take the brief. We are technology driven edutech company, and let's, because you have very small space to write. Okay. You have to be word specific. Only few words can be written over here. I think 50 or 80 words can be written. Now this is yet orange line, orange bar. If you can see this orange bar means that you have exceeded the word limit. Okay. You have written more than the words that can fit here. So I'll remove some words till it turns to green, just like this. Okay. Let's remove it. See here. Now Now that means we have written up till here. So this line has turned to green. That means now it is perfect. Okay. But mind it that you have to write it properly. Just for showing you, I have written, I have just copied it from there, but you have to write it precisely so that it makes sense. Let's read it out. We are a technology driven edutech company dedicated to building smart, scalable digital solutions for education and beyond. Okay, I think this is sufficient. Let's remove this also, our expertise. So this we have done. Now you have this much of space left. So write your content accordingly so that you can make most use of the space. You can use the full space. Okay, you have to design, you have to write your content in such a way that you can occupy full space. I hope this is clear up till here. SEO title and meta description. Now, whatever you have written, see how it will look. If you want to see how it will look, so you can see here. So see, about us, BBIC, this is our SEO title. So it will appear like this. Like this, it will appear. Okay. And if you want to know the meta description, how, just like here, if I take you, so this this written over here is, this is called as meta description. Okay, so it, how it will appear, it will appear like this. We are technology driven edutech company dedicated to building smart, scalable and digital solutions for the education and beyond. If you are viewing it on the desktop, then it will, or laptop, it will appear like this. But if you are viewing it on mobile, or so mobile, on mobile version, it will look like this. Let me click on it. So on mobile, it will look like this. About us, BBIC, we are a technology driven company dedicated, and so I hope it is clear up till here. So this is your SEO title, which is written over here. Okay, and this is your meta description, comes from here. So this meta description comes from here. Whatever you have written here, it will display over here. Okay, so if you are opening this website on Google, or if you are searching on Google like about us BBIC, or about BBIC, then this will appear just like this. Okay, about us BBIC, it will be, it will look like this. Okay, and meta description. Okay, moving ahead now, the next thing, or the next part to optimize or to make corrections is, basically optimization is nothing but making your content according to the search engines. Okay, or making some corrections so that it becomes relevant, or it becomes uh, uh, usable for the um, search engines. Okay, now let's see here. Let me increase the zoom size. Okay, fine. Now that's fine. So I hope you can see this SEO analysis about us BBIC. Okay, now I'll uh, mm, click here. I'll click here, and you will find some more options. Okay, like this. Now see, these are the problem areas which you can see in the red. All these are your problem areas. Okay, and in the orange, whatever you can see in the orange means that they are fine, but they can be improved further. All right, and green means that this is perfect. These pointers are perfect. For example, SEO title width, this is good job. That means the title that we have just written about us BBIC, this one, we have written this just now. So they are saying that it is good and it is of good length. Then competing links. Competing links means there are no links with which you use key phrase as their anchor text. That is nice. Or and then single title. You don't have multiple H1 headings. Well done. Similarly, all these things are done already perfectly. So we have already done these things perfectly. So we don't need to make any changes in the green pointers. What we have to do is to make changes in the orange and red pointers, especially in the red pointers. Okay. So what do we have to do? Basically, so let's first turn to the orange ones. So let's make these orange pointers into, let's turn them into green. How to do that? Let's change it. So key phrase in the slug. So they are saying the key phrase in your slug, uh, 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 your key phrase does not appears in the slug. So they are saying change it. So this means that in your slug, this is your slug, your key phrase does not appears. What is your key phrase? Our key phrase is about us, BBIC. Okay, this is our key phrase. So let's write it. Let's copy the same. Let's copy it. Control C and come down to slugs and then paste it.
वो पुस्तक का काम जो काम होता है तो yes let's say
Okay.
that
So this is a slug that we have pasted. Now let's check out whether this has gone correct or not. Now see, it has gone from here. From the orange, there were earlier 3 pointers in orange, and now there are only 2 pointers because we have made the corrections in the key phrase length. Where was it? Key phrase in slug. Now see, key phrase in slug, great work. It has turned to now green. Okay. Let's make changes in others also. Key phrase in SEO title. Key phrase in SEO title means it does not contains the exact match. Okay, fine. So key phrase in SEO title. So where is your SEO title? SEO title is right here. Okay. And they are saying that you have not used the exact words as your keywords. No problem. It is actually the same, but let's copy it again. Control C and let's write it again in the SEO title. Control V. Okay. Now we have done this. Let's now check back. So see, one orange pointer again has gone, and you can see this key phrase in SEO title. We have turned it into green, right? Your task is to turn all these orange and red pointers into green. Okay, this can be done by making changes, by making corrections in your content wherever required. Okay, next is key phrase image in alt attribute. Now what is it? Key phrase image, key phrase in image alt attributes. So this says that images on this page do not have any alt text. Okay, so we have to make changes. So let's go for it. uh, so where is it? Basically we have to first find the images that we have inserted. Let's see. Let me check. Okay, let me see. Just a minute. Basically, the image, the let me insert it and then I'll tell you. We have inserted this image. So basically, what is, let me write, let me insert it again. So here we are. Okay, when we insert the image, then there is one box coming over here. This is called as alt text. Okay, so alt text basically means what this image is all about. Why do we need to write it? Because there are some people who are visually challenged, who cannot see, who are not that fortunate like us, that who can see the world. Okay, so for them, we have to write, because they use braille uh, 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 for identifying the image, that what this image could be. Okay, so for blind people, we have to use the words, the text, which with which they identify that what this image could be all about. Okay, so about us and BBIC. Okay, like this. Or you can write something about this image also, like uh, you can write that people working in office. Okay, you can also write the title. Let me change the title also. About, let me make some changes. uh, let me write the title over here, and let's write the alt text as office, people working in office, people at work, or people in office. Anything you can write, people at work or people in office. And then you have this title, and then caption you can leave, and then you can write the description about the company. Okay, if you want, you can write 1 or 2 lines like this. Control C, and again go back here and Control V. So this is what we have written. Okay, set the featured image and done. Okay, so here you are. You can see key phrase in the image attribute. Just a minute. Images on this page do not have any alt attributes. We have already done this actually. So it will appear in some.
Say hi to Naka.
Then we have text length. Okay, we have this text length. Text length means that whatever text you have written is only of 90 words. Okay, and this has to be of minimum of 300 words. Usually this text should be of minimum of 300 words. Any page that you are writing for, that page should have at least 300 words, right? So this is only 90 words, not even 100 words. So you have to change it. You have to add some more content into it so as to make it of 100 words, right? So this is it. So okay, so we'll make it, we'll add some more content, right? Let me see. Okay, let it open, only then I can tell you. Okay, meanwhile I'm telling you other things also, and rest we'll do in one go. uh, Text length, so you know that this text length that we have written is of 90 words, but it should be of at least 300 words or even more. Okay, normally it happens to be of 500 words. It should be 500 words nearly, but the minimum content length should be 300 words. Next is key phrase in the subheading. So key phrase in the subheading means that this is your main heading, and the subheading or sub or you can say the first paragraph that you are writing or the first line that you are writing, your keyword should appear in the first line itself. Okay, your keyword, what is your keyword here? For this page we have used the keyword as about us BBIC. Okay, let me see if it has opened. No, it has not yet opened. So let me first of all save it and then reopen it. Let me refresh this page. Okay. Yoast SEO, right? Okay, fine. Now here we are. All right. And here is our content. So you have to make changes in your content to make it at least 300 words. So for now, what I am doing, I am simply copying it and pasting it 3 times. Okay, so as to make it of reasonable length. Okay, so here we are. You can see. Okay, this is done. So you can publish it like this. Again, go back to your Yoast SEO. Okay, and this is your page. Okay, now you can again click on this SEO analysis. Click here and you will find it somewhere here. Now see, you can see here that the keyword length or the text length error that was there is no more existing. Okay, see, key phrase length, key phrase SEO, then you have text length. So here you were doing, earlier it was showing that there is a less text of 90 words, but now it has become to 354 words, which is good job. Okay, and that is why it has turned to green. Now whatever you have done, simply publish it and rest things we are going to do tomorrow. The rest of the settings that are there, that we are going to do, look into tomorrow. For now, let me just quickly give you a recall what we did today. We have first of all installed a plugin called Yoast SEO. Okay, we have installed a plugin. Let me quickly go back. What we have done, we have gone to plugin and add new plugin. Okay, plugins and add new plugin, and from there we have installed a plugin called Yoast SEO, right? So Yoast SEO plugin is a plugin which is used to optimize your website. Okay, Yoast SEO. You can see in the list of your in the list of your plugins, right? So Yoast SEO, whenever you want to optimize any page or the post page or the pages, then you have to first of all go to that particular page which you want to optimize. So go to all pages, and there you can search for the desired page that you want to optimize. So here we were optimizing the page about us. Now see, earlier it was red, now it has turned to orange because we have made some changes, and as we go on making changes it will turn to green. Okay, you have to make it green. See, SEO score, red means poor, that is your content is not optimized. Orange means that it is okay, fine, but you can improve it. And green signal means that everything is doing very much fine. Okay, then you can go to any page, click on about us or category or any page you want to optimize, then click on it and start look, first of all look on the Yoast SEO section at the bottom, scroll down, and you will find this Yoast SEO section, right? And here you can make changes. Okay, you can search for any, first of all you have to insert one focus phrase, and then you have to make the changes. So this is the changes that we were doing today. Okay, so this is it for today, and rest we will be doing tomorrow. I hope this is fine. I hope this session was fine. You have learned about SEO in this session. Okay. Okay, Mastanwali. Okay, Adarsh. Okay, Lakshman. Good. Great. I hope you are able to understand, you are able to learn what I have been teaching you. And in case you have any troubles, any problems, and if you want to ask anything, you are more than welcome to ask your queries to me. All right. Thank you and see you tomorrow.